2 uur 's nachts. Ik kan niet slapen.
I'm onder de f***ing tent,
Of the good.
Oh. Dat is auto.
What a year it has been. Honestly, thank you very much for that. And from personal perspective, I can definitely say that 2025 was just the best year of my life so far. And obviously GP Products has been a massive part of that. With all the events we attended, like Bimmerfest, Goodwood Festival of Speed, we did a trip to Romania, we organized an Akrapovic event, an Venturi event, we did Urban Nights. With all that, we pushed the brands, the community, but most definitely our passion forward. 2025 wasn't only about events, it was also about innovation. With the most important release was in the beginning of the year with the new BMW M5 G90 and G99. And our brands as well, they couldn't get enough of it. They went into overdrive. With every week there was a release of a new exhaust system, a new intake kit, a new carbon fiber upgrade package. And it's fair to say that the M5 content exploded. And if there's one car that you guys couldn't get enough of on our YouTube channel and Instagram profile, it's definitely the G90 and G99 M5. A big challenge for me this year also was to gain more of an insight into the technical aspect of cars and mainly into the world of cooling and high performance cooling. And that automatically brings me to CSF and also brought me to gain more knowledge on the classic car world, mainly on classic Porsches. And that we showcased perfectly at Rico Customs. Now also, Urban didn't sit still this year. We had a lot of new releases with a facelift RSQ8 and also on the Goodwood stand in June, they had 5 new releases this year. And fun fact, we were the first ones to cover them all. Now with BMW being the most important brand in the world of aftermarket modifications, ADRO played a massive role in our story this year as well. And now we even managed to get the first M2 V2 ADRO on our stand at Bimmerfest, and it was created by none other than Racebox. And talking about Racebox, what a trip that was. We went to Romania to do some dealer visits, and it's fair to say that the car culture is popping there. And we even did some car spotting there.
Whoa.
With all the new releases this year, we attended a lot of events, but we also organized a lot of events. And I can talk to you guys for hours about how these events went down, but it's better if we just show you. As you saw in the last clip, we organized an urban night at the Luxury Motors in Switzerland, and the scenery was incredible. We also organized one at France Limited in Lannaken in Belgium. And to kick 2026 off, we will be organizing one in Antwerp with our partner Metropole Noord. Now with these videos, we might seem like the perfect company and everything may look like a one-taker, but trust me, we're still human, so not everything goes to plan always. So enjoy some funny moments.
Well, the weather is very amazing, and we have a very nice colleague who gives us the place to stand beneath the cover. So we're dry, but he is. It's sad days for Benjamin.
Hallo Armando. F***ing rood licht.
Dit is echt helemaal.
Yeah, you get us. That's the throttle, not the brake.
Wacht, stop. Daar ligt een set wieltjes. Daar onder de tent, joh!
Yo! Huiszeker.
Is niet auto,
Nee, auto.
tent, auto.
Nee. Auto.
Ik wil er even mee. Hey, kan klikken hier.
I lock myself out. Oh.
Does someone have toothpaste?
Ik krijg daar niet in zin, man. Ik kan er oprecht niet in.
Onder de maan ligt op het strand.
GP product. We need some food. We can't just drive and visit the dealers. We need some food. Yummy, yummy.
I think the guy knew me from YouTube. He wanted my signature.
Rock, sanatate, just a little bit.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. It's like tequila.
No, it's
And look how we've grown since then.
En look how free. Ja, dat is moeilijk hè. Kijk, we stopt niet hard. Stop, opnieuw.
Is dat niet leuk voor je gezicht? Ze zit daar, hè, maat.
Ja? De Eikma. Een hele hoop carbonmat carbon. Carbonmat carbon.
If I have to look back at my personal highlights, obviously it's the entirety of 2025. But if I have to pinpoint to one specific driving experience, it had to be the car with 360 horsepower but weighing only 800 kilos. So it can't be anything else than the classic 911 from Rico Customs. That thing was insane and I was quite scared and quite nervous to drive that thing. And the most fun video to film, that was definitely the one we filmed with the Ferrari 296. We just had a blast for the entire day with the Ferrari and it was very hot, weather was amazing, so a lot of fun on that day. I would like to thank GP Products for making this all possible and especially the two guys that you don't see that often in front of the camera, but they're always there, Armando and Jules. And now enjoy some snippets of the masterpieces they produce. With all of our partners releasing their new innovations in 2025, GP Products became the place where the community came to see it first. And this will definitely not be changing in 2026, where we will be helping you guys even more with creating the sickest projects. And also, I would like to thank the entire team of GP Products for making this all possible. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for sticking on our side in 2025, and I will be seeing you guys next year. And if you like this content, well, please press subscribe. Ooh. In Switzerland, and it's fair to say, create some of the most insane builds.
Ja, van wie ben je eigenlijk?